Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its power moonroof. You also have your navigation system and blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. Taking a closer look just over on the side, you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and then taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know there is another vehicle right beside you. And taking a look at the second row here, I'm just going to close in on it for you. As you can see, you have the second row captain seats, and you also have the sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows. Now, the close button for the door is just going to be located on the inside here. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids or possibly yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that because it does have the jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And then if you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close automatically. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is Toasted Walnut Pearl, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as your front seats. As you can see, you have your leather seat surfaces with your power driver seat with lumbar supports, traction control on and off, rear parking sensors on and off, mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert, and cruise control. It does offer you the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we take a closer look, you're going to see your digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy, all-wheel drive monitor, and then if you scroll through some more, you can see your compass, along with your audio, lane departure alert, messages, and your settings menu with your ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, a pre-collision system, and your lane departure alert as well. Now, if we take a closer look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we go inside the menu screen, you're going to see your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, you do have the apps menu on here, which is a part of the Entune app suite. So as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, taking a look, you do have the Sirius XM satellite radio on here. Temperature control settings as well, with your rear temperature controls located down below, hazard lights, mounted to an automatic transmission, with your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and auxiliary input with your power outlets. And then if you take a look at the top here, you're going to see your auto-dimming rear view mirror with the integrated garage door opener. And then you also have your open and close for your power liftgate and power sliding rear doors. Power moonroof controls, SOS Safety Connect, and with that SOS Safety Connect, in the event you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away. And if we take a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Or if you want, you can also change up the backup camera view to a more dynamic view, or the traditional backup camera view itself. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors just located right across on the back of the tailgate. You have the backup camera just on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release located underneath the Sienna emblem. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you do have the 60-40 split for your third row. And the nice thing with that is if you need the additional cargo space, you can just have it fold down to the floor there. So if you're not in need of the additional cargo space, you still have plenty of room down below here. As you can see, it does have the cargo liner down below, which is great because if you spill any liquids on there, it makes things a little bit easier to clean up afterwards, just because you can have it removed and clean up properly afterwards. If you need the seats folded down, the instructions are located on the back of the seat. On the right-hand side, you're going to see that power outlet. And then on the left, you have some more additional cargo room as well, just for smaller items. And then when you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically, making things a lot easier for you, especially when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.